was a good night. It was a good night. Yeah, we had a good night. It was a good night. It was a good night. It was a good night. Yeah, we had a good night. It was a good night through. Weekends I just wanna chill and cook with you. If you're happy then nothing else matters. It's through. Your smile is like nothing I can compare. More than any smile I found anywhere. But why does it feel so familiar, I wonder? Deja vu is the word, I guess, like thunder. Like I've known you from way back when, you see. The moment I stepped into this life, your presence starts to fade from me. I had forgotten you, so there's nothing to worry about. Your presence is pure poetry, but now I'm just scared. Oh, I'm afraid of losing you again. Oh, I'm afraid of your presence fading away again. My heart changes like traffic on the freeway and straight on toe. No way. Anxiety is contagious, you know it's real. Like that big disaster we went through, I feel I'm just doing what I gotta do. About to drop it like dubstep in 3, 2, 1, go. So yeah, I wanna spend every Thursday evening. Go. So yeah, I wanna spend every Thursday evening cooking with ya. Contact high. Everything 1, 2. First goes uno, then goes dos, sir. From the water, Poseidon came, ever afloat in sun or in rain. But what if they say it cannot be? They can't diminish my fight and decree to flee with you, my all I'd give. Ask of the rear so you may live. The only what I seen you gave miss. The truth thinner than you gave this. And flaw the degrees coition. I never they and you then Jesus. Why you will let you like you stand used to make him like a nuisance. As you cope about the water, could flow forever if we want, or even pop. Or what if it's impossible? Clear compass, this somber battle, rainy finish your book. I would do anything to get away, just ask the cook. As you cope about the water, could flow forever if we want, or even pop. Or what if it's impossible? Clear compass, this somber battle, rainy finish your book. I would do anything to get away, just ask the cook. Thursday evening cooking with Yun. Should contact high. Everything 1, 2. First goes uno, then goes dos, sir. Magic carp about the water, could float forever if we want, or even proper. What if it's impossible? They accomplished to subside my battle ready finish look. I would do anything to get away, just ask the cook.